The Lordco trade show is a great opportunity for us at TCA Tool Storage to connect with end user mechanics from all over British Columbia.
All of our TCA boxes are using 15 to 18 gauge materials. They all come with liners in the drawers, top of the line slides. Our handles are not riveted on, they're screwed on, so if you damage one, they can be easily replaced. Our drawers come out easily, you just, like that. They're very heavily made, good heavy attachments. The weight of them, you can just feel the quality. Double rolled edges, all the edges are rolled twice, all through the box, and really heavy duty bottoms. Our lids have gas shocks in the lids, again matted. We have ours designed so that you can access it without having to be six and a half feet tall. The strength of our drawers is quite powerful. You can put your whole body weight in one of our drawers, no problem. Side cabinets, all of our shelves are fully adjustable. All the drawers are the same quality as the other drawers. And because our cabinets are punched the full length, you can adjust the shelves or the drawers wherever you'd like them. Another feature that we have is our wheels. All of our wheels are independently swiveling. They all come with locks, so you can lock them, like so, to apply the locks. They're rated 6,000 pounds each, so even fully loaded and well over 2 tons, they can handle the weight.